All right, we got a new Tavour box here. We're going to go rapid fire with this. So we've got, what is this? Oh, this is Mountains Walking Brewery. This is really good stuff. Peach cobbler style sour ale. Sweets. Yeah, these good. Looking forward to that. I've done a bunch of their sweet stouts. I don't know if I've done a whole lot of their sours. Okay. This is part of a bundle I got this week. It's a Beastie Boys inspired, I think it's IPA. Yeah, Imperial IPA, 9% ABV. Intergalactic from Source Farmhouse Brewing. It came with this cool cup. So that's pretty sweet. That's part of a little bundle they had through Tavour. Love it. A bunch of cans of stuff here. Oh, here's some more Intergalactic. I'm not sure how much Intergalactic I got there. Let's see. All right. Oh my gosh. This is all the stuffs. Don't cross the streams. It's got On Fire Marshmallow Man, all the Ghostbusters there. I don't even care what kind of beer this is. I'm excited. Main and Mill. Sour ale brewed with toasted marshmallows, raspberries, and lactose. I love this so much. This is so wonderful. I haven't been keeping cans, but that's almost a keeper. And from Anchorage, Patterns, 8.4 ABV, double IPA. As you know, Anchorage is consistently amazing. Let's see, we got another Fat Boy here from Junkyard. I love their Fat Boy cans here. Mom's Not Home, a chocolate chip cookie stout from Junkyard up in Minnesota. Here's some more Intergalactic. I'm not sure if these are all the same or I don't know. I need to do a closer look. If that's like 4 Intergalactics, that's just a lot of Intergalactic. Another horror-inspired one here. Drecker, Operation Magical, DDH double IPA with a ghost face there and an actual ghost and chainsaw and all sorts of fun stuff there. Again, I pretty much got that for the can art. All right, peanut butter marshmallow, cacao nibs, peanut butter marshmallow, stout from Illuminated Brewworks. Enjoy with people you trust. I will probably enjoy it alone. Imperial Stout. That is fun. 13 ABV, covering up the Intergalactic. Sorry about that. Oh, we have a lot of bottles. Bio Transformers, a double IPA from Stellwagen Beer Company. And it's got a sort of hoppy transformer there. That is fun. And Adroit Theory, Ghost 1107, out of Purcellville, Virginia. Adroit, they're just amazing. Let's say this is a coffee, coconut, cacao, cookies and cream, maple stout. And if you haven't had Adroits, they're intense. They are very, very good. Here's a duplicate of that sweet sour. Ooh, rock me, Dr. Sake. All right, Magnify Brewing, Mosaic hopped deep double IPA with Incognito, brewed in New Jersey. Oh, reminded me of that Simpsons Planet of the Apes musical. Here's another Fat Boy from Junkyard for Heaven's Cake, Strawberry Angel Food Cake Sour. Again, Junkyard out of Minnesota, doing amazing work. There's another Cross the Streams, amazing Ghostbusters can art. All right, we're getting to the bottles here now. All right. Hoppin' Frog, 15th Anniversary Ale, Bourbon Barrel Aged Ale. Go, 15 ABV. That will knock me on my butt, no doubt. More from Anchorage, some sort of spaceman dude. Interstellar Void, mixed culture ale. I don't know what that means, but we're going to try it and it's going to be fun. My cat is very excited about it. Oh, all right. This was a pack. Deep Orbit, Cygnus, other half. Bourbon barrel aged imperial stout with nuts and nougat and peanut butter and chocolate bars. And this one, Vega, other half bourbon barrel aged imperial stout with chocolate cream cookies. So sounds like one with, I don't know, Snickers and one with Oreos. What do you think about that, Dwight? It's very exciting, I know, for everybody. And oh, what's this? We got a duplicate of this dude here, and that's it. All right, thank you so much. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.